Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So in this video, we will discuss about topic called automobile battery maintenance. So this is a lecture series of automobile vehicle maintenance and reconditioning. And then in this video, we will discuss the following content like what are the importance of battery maintenance, and then what are the benefits of maintenance, battery maintenance, and then what are the basic steps and the things we need to take care while maintaining the batteries in the periodic maintenance, and then some types we will discuss one by one. So here first into the topic called the battery maintenance. So first we need to know what are the importance of batteries in automobile vehicle. So the important role of battery is to make the engine and then power electronics to start, and then it is the essential component like the heart of any engine. So without battery, it is very difficult to make a vehicle to start and then to run. So see here the battery role. So it starts engine and powers electronics. So it's a very important role of the batteries. And then we have different types of batteries, and more commonly we have the lead acid battery, and then another we have different types called AGM and EFP and then lithium ion battery. So in that lithium ion battery is the is more preferable among these three, and then commonly we are using lead acid battery. And what are the significance of batteries? We have the 12-volt battery is commonly used in the automobile vehicles, and then we have the terms called CCA, that is the cold cranking amperes. It measures the cold start power of the battery. And what are the essential tools for battery maintenance? So yes, we need to do a battery maintenance, and then while doing the battery maintenance, what are the tools, that is important tools it is required? And it starts with a multimeter, and then terminal cleaner and wrenches, and then load tester and safety gears. And the multimeter is used to test the voltage and charging system of battery, and then terminal cleaner is used to remove corrosion and the disconnect terminals. So yes, it is very important to remove the corrosions in the connection so that we make a better the connection between the terminals. So and then the load tester and safety gears are used to assess the battery the health conditions. And then a visual inspection, and this is the another one, the type of inspection is used in the battery maintenance to use to make the identify the potential problems in the batteries. And it starts with the check the terminals, and it battery inspect battery case, and inspect and the cables, and then the bulging batteries. So these are the major the cause or the factor that we can identify with the help of the visual inspection by means of the manual eyes. Then we can look at into the components, and we can able to check these parameters. It starts with the terminals, and it look for white or blue corrosion deposits. So whether the any deposition or corrosions is on the terminals, and then we can easily remove this. And then in battery case, the outer case of the batteries like crank swelling or leaks, so that we can make or identify by means of the visual inspection. And then the check for looseness or damage, any damages in the batteries, that we can make with the help of with assistance of visual inspection. And then bulging of batteries, it indicates the overcharging, so and requires immediate attention. While the batteries, whether it looks like the bigger size, that we can identify by means of the visual inspection. And the next one is the cleaning battery terminals, and what are the step-by-step procedure required to make the battery. So it starts with the disconnect terminals. So it is the first we can make disconnect the terminals. It starts with the negative and then positive, and then apply the baking soda paste for to remove the corrosions or any other deposition on the surface of terminals. And then we can remove by means of application of the soda paste. And then we can make clean these soda paste, and then you by either you can use the water or other chemicals to remove these soda on the surface of terminal. so that we can get the perfect the uh, original of the quality and the appearance of the thermals, and then apply dielectric grease, and then it may prevent the future corrosions by means of oil, means of rinsing the thermals in the water, and then you can make dielectric grease, so that the moisture in the surface of thermal so may get removed, so that we can avoid the further corrosions. So next is testing battery voltage, and then as we discussed in the earlier, with the help of the multimeter, so that so exact the voltage level of the battery, that we can make necessary the testing, so that to maintain the battery in good shape. And then the checking the charging system. Yes, we know that is very important to make the necessary step to check or to verify the charging system of battery, and it starts with the engine, and then you can continuously check the voltage level of battery. If you identify the low level of voltage, and then could signal alternator is used needing repair, so that you can make the required arrangement in order to make battery in the good conditions. And then proper jump, so these are the procedure to make the starting procedure, make the connect rate, and then batteries, and then plus and plus, and then minus, it make the connect uh, black and good batteries. And then so these are the some good factors that make the proper jump starting procedure of, and then batteries. Thank you.